Hello everyone, welcome back to Born2 channel. Today video, I will show you a software that help you to auto comment on Facebook group. So this is my software. So you can see first we have the account management. Here we will help you to add and manage the multiple Facebook account. First we will need to enter the content. We will go to the content management and I will enter the content in here. Once we have a content, we will go to comment function and I will choose comment. Then you can have the option is comment by profile. It means it will also go to profile target that you want and then comment to it. You can comment by the group that you already joined and you can comment to the group ID list that you want, or you can comment by the post ID list, or you can comment to via reels. Okay, I will select the group ID that I want to comment. Enter it here. Let's set and I will select the account to comment. I will choose the account. Next, I will select the content, and then you can choose the account that you want. First, you will enter the number of the boss and number of the group. That each account will comment. Next, you can choose a not duplicate group. You can auto delete the ID group. After you commenting, you can comment to the bot the content to the keyword. You can enter the keyword here and you can release emotion while commenting. You can like and comment to the post. Okay, everything is set up. I will press start and let the software do the work. Then you can see it start logging in into Facebook like this, and it will go to the group that we set up, and then I will comment it. Okay, let's check the process to be done. You can see here this commenting and very fast. You can have 100 of the comment in multiple groups that you want, and then I will go to comment history so I can check all the comment. And you can see here this comment that I just made. You can see the comment time and and then I will take the link and press it here and there. You can see the comment that I just made. Okay, so I just show you a software that help you to auto comment in the Facebook group. If you need more information, please contact me in my Telegram or WhatsApp. The detail I pinned down below the comment section. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe to Born2 channel.